Remember, stay toasty. Welcome back. Man, if that was me, that would have been more than ass. I'd be dead if that happened to me.
Come on.
Here.
Thanks.
What's that ribbon around your neck?
Who do you work for, really?
These lips are sealed. Sorry.
That's all she ever says.
Hey, you like my ribbon?
It's beautiful.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
I hope she remembers it. She's a beautiful woman.
I feel like we've met before.
We probably have. We all sort of knew each other at one point or another. But things change, I guess.
I guess so. Ah, shit, he's gone.
Stop. We don't have to make any more of a thing out of it than it already is.
He hit you, though.
He hit you. He needs to pay for that.
He's got nothing to give, Sheriff. I checked. Besides, I just swung an axe into the guy's head. I'd say we're even.
Maybe I should be arresting you.
Yeah.
I'm not going to be doing this for much longer. So, now's your chance.
She seems upset.
What's the owed you?
100.
I'm guessing it would be bad for you to show up empty-handed.
I'll be fine.
Now, you get some money, it's on me.
Let's see, I've got, 20, 58. That's all I got. It'll help, right? Take it.
It's okay. I'll be fine. You've done enough.
Oh, come on.
Just take the money. Okay?
I'm helping you out. Take it. That's right.
It's a bad situation back there. Thanks.
I'm still gonna need a statement.
I have to go drop off what I have.
Meet me back at my office then.
It's a little late for an office visit, Sheriff. I'll swing by your apartment.
How do you know where
You live in the smallest apartment in the Woodlands. Everyone knows that.
Oh,
Good to know.
You should get cleaned up. You look like shit.
I will.
And I don't
None
use that
taken.
lightly. Some of these look pretty bad. That's gonna leave a mark. Or maybe not.
Yeah.
Hey. I need to tell you something.
What?
What is it?
Is it a love
You're not as bad as everyone says you are.
No, that was dang right the first kiss he ever got.
Wolf.
This is gonna be a good game. That was a good light. Loading screen again. Oh, that was the introduction.
Among Us. That's the second time it did that. Art direction, David Bowen. Kim Lyons. Jeff Shaw, Vanna Montana. Ian Prescott. To the next scene. So 1. Faith. The Woodland, Lexington Apartments. Let's get through this door. The Woodland, Lexington Apartments. Always go. Wait. I guess nobody's there. On second thought, is that Beauty? I recognize that Beauty anywhere. Stay off the grass.
There's no walking on the grass. No White's orders.
I'll be sure to send her an apology.
I knew it was Beauty.
Hello, Bigby.
Too bad she's with the Beast.
I wasn't expecting anyone.
Wish she was with me. You know what I'm saying?
Looks a little odd, but there's an explanation. I swear.
You're out pretty late.
Is there some sort of curfew I don't know about? What's with the 3rd degree?
Oh, nothing. Shouldn't be outside this late. You know how the Beast gets? He gets mad real easy.
Please, Bigby. Promise me you won't tell Beast you saw me. He worries too much as it is, and it would just make my life a lot easier.
I promise.
Please.
I promise.
You promise?
Promise.
Thank you, Bigby. I'll explain it all to you later.
Damn, she sounds upset.
But I have to go.
I wonder why.
Thank you.
Beauty appreciates your help.
Really.
And I'm glad she
I
does.
appreciate it. Bigby.
Well, let's go inside then. What's he doing asleep on the job? Any mail?
Well, since I got any mail. 7th day in a row.
7 days in a row. Huh? Oh. Big B's name tag.
Thing fell off again.
That's not good. Let's get that up there.
How much longer is this gonna go on?
Don't know. We'll find out in the upcoming episodes. Boop. Beep. Button press. stairs, I guess. Oh, and it's the beast.
Bigby, hey, wait up. Have you seen my wife? Have you seen Beauty?
No, I haven't.
No.
Haven't seen him?
her. Oh, okay.
Lied to the
Sorry
beast.
about
You lied to the beast.
Something's going on.
What? Come on, it can't be that serious. I know it. He does get mad easily. But he was kind of upset too. Why are they both upset? Did they get into a fight? Bigby's apartments. Fable Town.
Damn, should crack the window.
Yeah, get some water in your face. You could be tired. What a night. Check the fridge.
Why do I even own this? Should have done this
Why do I even own this?
Damn it.
No ice. No ice? Is anything in here? No. Come on, Bigby. Walk. My controls are messed up. Let's have a look at this. Case files.
Bluebeard's file.
Bluebeard.
Never trusted this guy.
Me neither. So this is...
I don't even remember ordering that. Probably a bad sign.
Probably is. The fuck is that? A pig! Well, we're gonna end the episode there on that note. Remember, stay toasty.